AWS Backup enables you to centralize and automate data protection across many supported AWS services. AWS Backup currently supports applying backup policies and schedules across your storage, compute and database resources. AWS Backup offers a cost-effective, fully managed, policy-based service that further simplifies data protection. The service scales to support your business and growing storage requirements. AWS Backup also helps you support your regulatory compliance or business policies for data protection. Together with AWS organizations, AWS Backup enables you to centrally deploy data protection policies to configure, manage, and govern your backup activity across all your AWS accounts and resources. AWS Backup benefits: centralized management. Using the AWS Backup Console, application program interfaces, or the AWS command line tool, quickly configure backup policies to simplify backup management. AWS Backup makes it easy to ensure that your application data across AWS resources is secure, backed up and protected. You can then use those same tools to execute backups, restores, and set retention policies across your entire AWS organization. Process automation. AWS Backup's fully managed, policy-based solution provides automated backup schedules, retention management and lifecycle management, eliminating the need for custom scripts and manual processes, thereby saving you time and money. With AWS Backup, you can apply backup policies to your AWS resources by simply tagging them, ensuring you implement your backup strategy across your entire AWS organization. Improved compliance. From a centralized console, enforce your backup policies, encrypt your backups, and audit and report on backup activity to help meet your compliance requirements. Backup policies make it simple to align your backup strategy with your internal business processes so you can comply with regulatory requirements. AWS Backup secures your backups by encrypting your data in transit and at rest. Audits and reporting are simplified since backup activity is consolidated across AWS services. AWS Backup adheres to PCI and ISO compliance and is also HIPAA eligible.